Cupcake.
Is it delicious?
Mm-mm.
What can you say about the pancake and the cupcakes?
Good guys. Oh, yummy.
So yummy?
Mm-mm.
Really? Who has a big tummy? Is it Manong or is it Lyca?
Manong.
Oh, really? Are you sure?
I mean, Daddy.
Daddy? Oh, really? Finish your cupcakes first. Say thank you to Wuwa for making a cupcakes for you and Manong.
You.
Dancing in the dark. Do you like to sing?
Okay.
Oh, finish that one first. Finish it. Oh, I think Lyca wants cupcakes. How does it taste?
Good, but they're done. I was having a practice taste.
Practice taste.
And I'm sorry I put these in there.
Oh, really? Yummy, is it yummy?
They're really yummy.
Oh, what are you doing with the cupcakes? Oh no. Oh, is that a mukbang challenge?
No.
Okay, careful. That's you like the food of Wuwa and mommy.
Yeah.
Okay. How does it taste now?
Good.
It's good. What can you say to your audience now?
I like to say thank you.
Thank you for watching you.
Thanks for watching our Thanks for watching our Lyca Auntie show.
Oh wow. Really? How's your day?
Good, I guess.
Is it your day?
Yeah.
Is it your day?
Yeah.
Is it your day what?
The day of class.
Day off, right? Oh, yummy. Oh, who has a big tummy?
Daddy.
Oh no.